How to register Remitly account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can register your Remitly account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to register your Remitly account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open the Remitly application over here. Once you open the Remitly app, you'll be given two options. Now, if you already do have an account, you can tap the I already have a profile option over here. But if you don't have an account, then you can tap on the create a new profile option, which I'm assuming you do not have. Now, once you've done this, it will ask you from which country you want to send the money and select to which country you would like to receive it. Once you selected that, all you have to do is simply make sure to go ahead and tap the next option here. And as you tap the next option, you simply need to go ahead and then actually enter your email address as you can find it. So once you go ahead and enter the email address and the password, depending upon whether they're correct or not, if you don't know what password you've typed in, you can tap on the I icon on the right hand side in order to see the password, and then tap on the join Remitly option, and then your Remitly account will be successfully registered. This way you can register your Remitly account. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.